Hey, what's going on? Trev Bucheri here with my beautiful wife, Laura Bucheri, Core Capacity Transformations. Hope everyone's doing amazing today. I was just talking with Laura. I said, hey, let's do a vlog really quickly. And I said, what are we going to do it on? And then all of a sudden, I saw this. And I said, boom, let's do it. I can't get it in focus here. So, hon, explain what this is right here. This is for our son, Grayson. This is for our son, Roman.
So we've got an avocado, spinach, and mayo wrap. And we've got some cut up watermelon, some avocado, and some black beans. And a fruit smoothie.
Heck yeah. What's in the fruit smoothie?
Banana, mango, blueberry, orange juice, fresh squeezed orange juice, water, and ice.
Boom! So, you know, people are always asking us, like, well, what do we do? How do you eat plant-based? We've been doing this plant-based thing now for about, like, what, 5 years?
Yeah, 4 or 5 years.
5 years-ish? Yeah. And this is how we do it, you know. Why would you say, why do we do this? I mean, why do we do this for our own selves first?
I'd say personally we have more energy. I'm like a better version of myself when I do this. I just feel happier in general, better mom, better wife, better friend, just a better person.
Yeah, I mean, I feel the same way. You know, it really just comes down to functionality for me. You know, I guess before, you know, other reasons why people would go plant-based, let's just say. But for me, it really just comes down to efficiency. I need less sleep. I have better energy. I have better focus. Everything just works better. My strength, you know, once we actually learn how to do it properly, my strength is just growing and growing and growing. So I absolutely love it. And it's also really easy. That's the thing. It's so simple. I mean, like, you can't really get any simpler than this, you know. And then coming down to it, why else? Because, you know, physically, you know, physiologically, really from everything that we've studied, this is what's going to make the body thrive the most. And that's why we do it. So we say, hey, you know what? Let's do the exact same thing for our kids. Let's feed our kids this exact same thing. And this is a really easy example of how you can incorporate it. If it's something that you're interested in, you can just jump on that, test it out. Our kids love it. Our kids really love it.
Yeah.
And we give them treats. We give them treats, you know, here and there, you know, but this is really just the overall lifestyle. So I wanted to give you a glimpse of it. Hope you got some great stuff from this. Again, Trev Bucheri here, beautiful wife, Laura Bucheri, Core Capacity Transformations. Y'all have an incredible rest of your day. Take care.